Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Regimen Lab c.r.e.a.m Skin Barrier Moisturizer. This product retails for $44. I am very excited because this is the second formula I'm trying from Regimen Lab. I loved their azelaic acid. It was a game changer for my skincare routine, and this moisturizer looks to be loaded down with great ingredients like pure ceramide, colloidal oat, and allantoin. So many great ingredients that have been not only skin barrier supporting, but really nourishing for my skin as well, and I'm super excited to try it and see how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Big things I'm going to be looking for include, how do I feel like this moisturizer performs? How does it feel? Is it worth it in my opinion? It is a little bit more expensive of a price point for a moisturizer, but looking over the ingredients, it looks very hard-hitting. I also want to see if it breaks me out or causes any acne. As for anything else, I'm continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this moisturizer. I had a ton of you all recommending me to try this, and as a fan of Regimen Lab, I was already sold when I saw ingredients of it, the lipid-rich formula, and the amazing ceramides, cholesterol. Everything that's in this I'm really excited for. Is like a really rich, buttery texture. Oh my gosh, it feels really nice. It's almost like it becomes a part of the skin, which is kind of crazy. I never felt anything like this. The closest thing I can think of that feels like this, giving a little bit of Rhodes Barrier Butter, kind of mixed with Experiment Beauty's Molecular Mesh. That is the perfect marriage of the moisturizers that this reminds me of. Nothing that feels like this. It's a really thick formula when it comes out. A little bit nervous if it will cause acne. Oh, this is definitely gonna be a night cream moisturizer. This is a little bit heavy for the summer, I could see. In the winter, this is going to be a dream, for me at least, because I am combination. It definitely gives that more dewy, radiant finish, which you can see, but it's not crazy suffocating. Like, it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. A dream night cream moisturizer, honestly. I may be wrong about it being too much for the summer. I'm gonna try it both day and night just to see, but I really feel like where this is gonna shine is as an overnight moisturizer. Feels a little bit heavy at first. I'm gonna see how it dries down, how it feels overall. I mean, I've not really felt a moisturizer with this texture before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This moisturizer delivers skin barrier support, and the science is really there to back up this product. On top of the amazing jam-packed ingredients that they loaded in here, the performance lined up with exactly how I hoped it would. It is a very nourishing, semi-dewy finish, but still not suffocating. Definitely more of a dry skin moisturizer from what I can tell, at least off of using it for a few weeks. I spent a little bit more time with this product kind of accidentally, but I ended up falling in love with it the longer that I used it, because I feel like it's really designed for when your skin is going through major stress and you're needing something to restore your skin barrier in a very quick way. This moisturizer is definitely not going to be for everybody. I feel like it is going to be situational for me whenever my skin is really going through it. It brings up who I feel like this is really designed for, which is, first of all, I've seen reviews from more mature skin saying that this would be a great restorative cream for that. Looking over the ingredients and also based off how it feels, if you struggle with really dry and mature skin, I feel like it would be great for that. Can't personally testify, that's just coming from my personal opinion and what I speculate with this product, but I do know during this trial, my skin barrier has been kind of going through. I've been going through a lot of changes. I've been outside a lot more. This moisturizer counteracted that the longer that I used it and was such a nourishing restorative barrier cream without causing any breakouts or acne, which I really enjoy. I would 100% recommend it if you are needing a really rich, maybe your skin is just sensitive all the time. That's when I'd recommend this moisturizer, is when you're just going through it, if you're not willing to invest in it all the time. I personally feel like it is worth the investment, but I know that that some people just like to invest in richer moisturizers when their skin is going through it. This could be a situational product. I personally love it as a daily product because it just gives my skin barrier what it needs, delivers amazing ingredients, and has pure ceramide, potent technology in this product that really backs up the performance. And I feel like it is 100% worth the investment. I would recommend trying it. It worked amazing for me, and it has an ability like no other to provide an instant restored feel to my skin, both internally and externally. It was more on the dewy side, but it wasn't suffocating, and that's why I 100% love it. I would recommend trying it. Regimen Lab has blown me away so far with everything I've tried. Their azelaic acid and this paired really well together. If you're using a new active and you're needing a more restorative moisturizer to counteract some dryness, any potent active I feel like would complement this well because it is so moisturizing. Or say you've just oversensitized your skin, it would be good to have this product on hand for that. You can use it daily if you can afford to reinvest in it. With me, I'm going to keep this on hand situationally for when my skin is just really going through it, but it is worth the investment if you are able to, and I would recommend trying out this product. I don't know of any other alternative that's a direct carbon copy of this or even similar to the level of ingredients that is in this. However, a newest ceramide cream could be a potential alternative, not at all the level of ingredients in this, but it is pretty moisturizing and restoring. A more budget-friendly ceramide cream, but it doesn't have the level of ingredients that this has. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna see next level benefits from this style of product. The Anua is a more budget-friendly alternative, still a good option. This moisturizer is just undefeated in my opinion. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.